Buckwheat loaf, which is so soft, is what we are going to make today. Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we are making buckwheat loaf, which is gluten-free, healthy and so delicious. Buckwheat, besides being gluten-free, provides protein, fiber and helps to control blood sugar and improve heart health. These loaves are delicious, wholesome and so close to the real thing. So let's make these buckwheat loaves with a warm cup of coffee. To make the buckwheat loaves, let's take a bowl and add 1 cup of water. To this, we will add 1/4 cup of psyllium husk, which is going to act as a binding agent. Then in another bowl, we take half a cup of tepid water or water at 75 degrees. And then we add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And then we add 8 grams of instant yeast and allow it to bloom. Remember to check the freshness of the yeast. Then in another roomy bowl, we take all the dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, we take 150 grams of buckwheat flour, 100 grams of tapioca flour or corn flour and 100 grams of brown or white rice flour. Mix everything together till well combined and then we take 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember to add salt in the dry ingredients and not in the wet ingredients. Then in another bowl, we add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil of your choice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, the psyllium husk jelly which has doubled in size, the bloomed yeast. Mix all the wet ingredients and then we add the dry ingredients, which was mixed separately. Combine these well and then we add 2 tablespoons of water if needed. The dough will come together very easily like a ball and will not need much kneading and stretching. Cover the dough with a wet cloth and allow it to proof in a warm place for an hour or so and allow it to rise and double in size. So here you have the dough which has risen so well. Now we need to punch the dough and deflate it and knead it lightly. In case you're liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Then in a proofing basket or any wooden basket, take a dish towel and sprinkle some masa harina or coarse cornmeal or semolina if you have. Then empty the dough into the basket. Remember to keep the same side up. Cover the dough and allow it to proof for 1 to 1.5 hours in the basket. So here you have the dough which has been proofed beautifully and doubled in size. Then we place the dough on a parchment-lined cast iron skillet. In case you do not have the cast iron skillet, use a Dutch oven or you could also use an 8-inch round cake tin. The outcome may vary but the bread will be just as delicious. Then with the help of a sharp knife, score the top to create patterns. The patterns looks amazing when the bread is baked. Then in a tray add some hot water which will be put in the oven which will provide steam to soften the bread. Bake the bread at 200 degrees Fahrenheit in a preheated oven. Remove the water tray after 20 minutes of baking and then further bake for 50 minutes till the crust is golden and crispy. So here you have a gluten-free bread which is truly worth the wait. No store-bought bread can compare to these homemade ones. And now I will slice and show you how it is from inside. Here you can see it has those perfect air pockets like those wholemeal loaves and it is so soft. Slather some butter over it if you wish or enjoy it with some homemade pesto. These are perfect answer if you are craving for some healthy bread. pour a cup of coffee, make some sandwiches, and this bread is for you. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making.